Hi guys, you are welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can convert your Facebook profile account to a Facebook page. Alright, and thank God Nigerian has been allowed to monetize, so it's an avenue for you to earn money from your Facebook. Okay, so today's video I'll be showing you how you can convert your Facebook account with over 10k followers, 5k followers, 6k followers, as the case may be. How you can convert it from a Facebook profile account to a Facebook page, all right, whereby you can monetize and start earning money from your Facebook. Okay, it's the training I'm going to be showing you in this video, and I promise you it's going to be entertaining and also be educating. All right, so I need to pay attention to this particular video. All right, this particular video, and I tell you this video is going to be straight to the point, and I will tell you all the things you need to do for you to be able to convert your Facebook profile account to a Facebook page. All right, by the way, my name is Amadin Etiosa. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, this is my YouTube channel. I have amazing stuff ranging from how to create a Facebook account, how to run Facebook ad, how to acquire digital skills, and how you can also make money with those skills. All right, so kindly do well to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, so without wasting time, let's dive into this training. First, you need to have a Facebook account. This is your Facebook profile account. As you can see, this is my Facebook account. All right, so if you are new, once you have an account like this, mine is showing dark background because I switched to a dark background. So your can be showing white background. It doesn't matter. So what you need to do once you are here, once you're on your Facebook account like this, your profile picture will be showing, like you can see mine is showing already. All right, so you can see this is how it is. If you are not having this, that means you are not on the right path. All right, your Facebook account, if you are using a desktop, you should be having it like this. Okay, this is how it appears. So from here, you move over to where you have your Facebook name. All right, this is my Facebook name here. I'll click on it. So once you click on your Facebook name, it will redirect you to this part. It will redirect to this part here. You can see it here. This is this. So it will show you all of these things here. So once you are here, the next thing you have to do is head over to this particular side here. You can see these three dots. All right, you can see these three dots. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you will see where it says, okay, so once you are here now, just click on these three dots. You can see there, these three dots by this side. All right, remember I moved from, this is it. Let me take you back in case you, all right, I moved from this particular part here. All right, this is my Facebook dashboard. So from here, your name will be showing on your right, on your left hand side. Click on it. All right, the moment you click on it, all right, this part will show up. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to come to this part and click on this three icon. All right, this three icon. So once you click on it, you will see where it says, where is, you will see where it says turn on professional mode. You can see it here, it says turn on professional mode. So I will click on turn on professional mode. All right, all right. Let me take it again. Please notice that before then you are seeing all the profile here, all this profile. All right, you are seeing all this profile. Good. So now the moment I do that, it will become follow and like. All right, it becomes follow and like. So it's important for you to pay attention to all those things. So I'll come here and I'll click on this. Then I'll come down and click on turn on professional mode. All right, so I'll click on turn on. All right, turn on. Good. All right, I'll just click on done. So the moment you do this, you have automatically converted your profile account to a Facebook page. Your profile Facebook profile account to a Facebook page. All right, good. Can you now see? It's no longer showing. All right, can you now see? It's now showing digital creator and the rest. Okay, can you see now? So now let me click on this to go back. All right, so you can see that there's now a professional dashboard. All right, you can see there. So let me click on this professional dashboard now. Okay, so once I click on this, I can now see, all right, can you see my post, which was no longer there before, which was not there before. All right, you can see the post engagement, the post reach, number of followers. All right, so which I told you before, you can now start seeing all of these things because it's no longer a Facebook account, but a Facebook page. All right, these are the things you see on your Facebook page. All right, so let's click, let me still go back. Let me still go back. So let me click on it. right? Yes. All right, so you can see it's no longer friends, now followers and following. The number of persons that are followers and number of persons are following. So you can now see that now it has been converted. So also make sure that once you have done this now, the next thing you have to do is to make sure you post on your page, but it's no longer your Facebook account, but a Facebook page. So the profile, the professional dashboard is where you now have all the things. You can now monitor your page, the number of likes you are getting, the number of engagement, and all the things like that. So by this method, you have automatically converted your Facebook profile account to a Facebook page. All right, good. Hope you enjoyed this particular session of this video. If you do, remember to like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. Okay, guys, thank you for staying to the end. See you in my next video.